$140?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 440.
I just saw it. This one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, I want that. I want that milk.
Isn't it down here?
June, what a go on? What's going on? And hi, Marine. How you doing? How you doing, Queen? Out and about in Sephora. Yeah. This is Sonia Brown. Where?
Sorry.
We're fine. Where are the milk brand?
Milk?
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Miss Makita, Marie Stewart, Margaret Isaac, big up yourself. Happy Saturday.
Good afternoon, kings and queens.
Oh, we're out
What
here.
are you looking for?
Milk, the setting spray. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Marjorie, how you doing? Carmen, how you doing? Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Maxine, good afternoon. How's everybody doing? You guys doing all right?
Which
You
one?
guys do? I want the setting spray. That's this one, the bigger box. How you guys doing? We're just out and about, you know? Adulting. Yeah? Adulting, yeah. Come get some makeup. Yeah. Yeah, replenish, you know. Althea Stewart, how you doing? Yeah. So we just turn on the live to say hello. Happy Saturday.
You okay?
Yes. Where's Fenty? Where's Fenty? Fenty. What past Fenty? Yeah. What makeup y'all use if you use makeup? I use Fenty and I use Milk. How you pronounce it? Mikaj, something like that. That's another brand we used to. Yeah, but my love support my girl Fenty, Rihanna, you know. Yeah. Yes. Nothing much. Going to get my nails done and we just stop in here on our way. Just to heal you guys up and to say happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday, everybody.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh no, one of there those. Me know say some people get up, some people clean, some people got market already. Yes, man. Market, supermarket. Some people cook them soup or whatever. With me a shopper, Alec, Miss Chulette Davis, what's up? You know, shopper. Well, me not go elaborate upon that. Cause if vanilla there, he would call me out for my life. I said no. One of favorite, yeah, pie wagon. One of favorite fragrance. They sell fragrances in here too. They have Chanel, Dior, all kind of fragrances. Versace over here, so. Prada. But you guys, anybody on here ever use Love Don't Be Shy from Killian? Yeah, that's one of my favorite. Love Don't Be Shy. You cooking soup? Maxine, what kind of soup you cook? I don't need to look in that perfume section. I need to move from here, so. Yeah. Yeah. I have too much perfume. Too much. Oh, yeah. Oh, I want a lipstick. I offer brand this. Offer brand. Pampering Saturday. Yes, man. Just say a pampering Saturday today. Selena Gomez. Yeah. But one thing I know for sure, none of them not get up. Why Master Baker want come out of me? Wanna tell me why? Anyway, because she just don't have no behavior. Yeah, she not no manner. She want to start up. Yeah? Yeah. Wanna tell Master Baker don't come out. Please tell her don't come out. Tell her if you not come out.
Tell her to behave herself. You can't control her.
May I try fit? Oh, I need a concealer. Rihanna, of course.
What number?
I could do number.
There's a mirror too.
Down there, sir?
Number? 430?
No, that 430. No, that's all too dark.
What number you get? 420, 410, 390?
425. Let's do 425. A 425 this one up here, so. Or 430. Because the makeup, the foundation is like 440.
This one or you want this one?
The 430 in the bottom one.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, but Master Bake Chocolate, where the video for that post yesterday. Oh, it up on our page, man. You know, we not delete video, you know. We not delete no video where we do. We not delete no video where we do.
No, we don't delete them.
If a video delete, because Facebook probably flag it, but we not go back and delete no video. You know, anything we say, we miss it. And that's done. What gonna beat me? Wanting to spend when you don't want to. Those are looking so tempting, wanting to spend. I'm if I tell you, I come in here for one thing, I come in here for now. And I setting spray. And how much in there is look sitting there? 1, 2, 3. Lord Jesus. Understand? But I delete none of our video them thing there. Facebook will flag it for whatever reason. And that's the only way video I did it. But when I delete it, depend on the Master Baker. That's a picture from when Vanilla and we were doing the challenge. Hey Ardette, how you doing? Valerie, yeah. When me and Vanilla, Master Baker and Vanilla did do the water the challenge to fill up the thing with the colored water. Yeah, that's where that came from. Yeah. No, but me just a check on her because my queens. You see, because you know so are responsible adults. You understand? I wanna be adulting. Me just want to check on her. Because not to keep no tabs on her, because I know say don't have nobody life or stress on out. You understand? Me know so none of my queens, yeah? I don't get up and take pictures of people's house. And sit down and dissect it. Wanna not have business. Wanna not claim say. Wanna have business somebody. You understand? Me know wanna not do them things there. Yeah? Me know say wanna not do it. Wanna prefer to spend time and clean up for your house. Because when somebody place them furniture and have nothing to do with uno, can uno go walk and lick up in it. You understand? Me know so uno not careless like that. So that's why I come heal uno up. People like uno deserve me heal up. You understand? Yeah. Uno not sit down, especially when uno not no house. Yeah? And criticize other people's house. And claim say uno are business people. Uno progressive. Things are going for uno not happy. You understand? Which happy somebody I go get up. And look, take a time out to get pictures of somebody's house. And sit down and dissect room by room, inch by inch. And you live in a big America and somebody live at Jamaica. Tell me say no worthless and carelessness them there. Me know uno no worthless and careless, sir. Me know so I don't have other things in my life for do. If I even forgot sit down and give yourself one pedicure, yeah? Clean out on a toenail. You know what I mean? Peel off a dead skin. Rub off a dead skin around your toe and your heel back. Me know you don't have them things that for do instead of for go so low. Yeah? You understand? Don't. Janet a laugh. Me know so Janet see my point. Janet see my point. Me not understand. Yeah? In the words of Ronald Pandem, some girl dead and just lazy for lay down. You understand? Then dead, but then lazy for lay down. Then stubborn for lay down. It's just stubborn, so. For lay down. Then lazy for lay down, but then find time for up in everybody's life what I do better than them. And I try with all them might for prove so them relevant in a life. You understand me? Who could have put, if them could have put 10 stool in front of them sofa? Me no living in people them here house, so how that for bother me? Yeah, when me have a business, a so-called business, so me I run. Yes, we're doing well, thank you. Just over here talking to myself. Now watch me, I'm mad. I prefer to talk to myself than to take up people business in their house and make it be mine. If me put something in front of my bed and I get up at night time and buck my rotted tour, who know? I know nobody on social media go buck them tour to rotted. Well, I may do a crepe some green banana, pour some kerosene alpani and tie up. Now that me do. Yes, because me set trap for myself. All when that happened to me, it no concern to nobody. No me, it happened to. Me say people take you upon their head for going to people's house. Me dear, house. And dissect the people them house the backside. When them not have no house. If landlord show them out tomorrow morning, that's it for them. And at that them for sit down and dissect. But no. What kind of troublemaker them? And when people come and rot it them with a stone now, you hear the long live, the pity party, the sucker live where them put on. And at the end, advertise them business. When them all up in other people business. Master Baker, me tell her to turn in today. And you insist to come out. You insist to come out. You insist to come out. You don't have no time to go dissect. You will stay them on your mattress and rub them out.
And like the alcohol
no time for dissect them there. No time for go practice on your wine. And not be so stiff well, you need to be stiff because like me say, you're dead and just lazy if you lay down. So that not surprise me when you're stiff, so. You're stiff. No knowing say, oh, me call nobody name. No knowing say, oh. So if you sit down and just make people disrespect with all the time and be bigger person and just lay down and make disrespect become normalized disrespect to be the bigger person. Don't. No, so you go. You fear. Because when I love the Lord and the Lord say, if you sit down and make people disrespect.
You doing okay, honey?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Disrespect me. Huh? And be the bigger person all the time. Why people not get up and tell them to be the bigger person? What am I doing in a people's house? Yeah. What am I doing in a people's house? What am I call up my name for? You them over there call up chocolate and vanilla. What am I give me knowings for? Me they get up and beg nobody to give me knowings. Knowings not pay for my bills. Huh? Now when you have a house, you get up and talk about house and you get up and talk about fear house. Because fear house should be a problem to you. Fear house should be a bother to you. It dust them in a fear house should have bother you. It cobweb them in a fear house should have bother you. We are human beings around here at the end of the day. We are human beings. Disrespect will never be normalized by me. Not because I don't come out all the time and answer people. Huh? But a girl have to know. Don't call up my name. Especially a girl who stress over people's life. Huh? Yeah. A whole dopey. Yeah, a dopey. A girl was dead and too lazy to lay down. Dopey. Huh? Me no remember them. Me they out and about and I remember them. Huh? Right. You have to go over the fence and tell them to stop. Why is it all the time we have to play the bigger person? Because what? Me love God. Me try my best to serve God. Me try my best to treat people the way I want to be treated. But me must sit down and make people lie for me. Get up and class me all the time and I not come out and say nothing. Who they be? Who they be? We have to push back sometimes. And not all the time, and not every day. I don't care, so I still will come out there every day and I even remember them. Once in a while. Like closest me ever do a live in reference to them. Back to back. Yeah. You're in a foreign and I do good and your business I do good. And you take up for yourself and go all the way and pull up people's house and them bedroom and dissect it. And you're a grown woman. You're a grown woman who have responsibilities in her life. We're not suck at life. We have something better to do in America with your stagnant self. Is that you choose to do? And they want chocolate and vanilla and then this and then that and then come out and trouble me and me not trouble them. We're mad somebody will just get up and come out and trouble you for no apparent reason. At the time when I come out in defense of the planker boss, look how much somebody was going at her. But you take it upon yourself to come lay down your cross yourself pan way. Look how much people when I call no name. Me do my master baker. Me not involve you in it. And you come and you want it to be about you. And you inject yourself in it. You come and you lie upon me. So I come out in a prison outfit and skit you out. You then tell them say you did stuff of shit in your breast. And you have ass and everywhere and I skit we out. So if you lay down and make you skit me out and what? I may have talent, girl. So we make fun of you with your washer and dryer. Huh? Here, Vanilla, see my card here. Yeah. Yeah? So we make fun of you with your washer and dryer. You forgot to tell them, say you come and talk about my kitchen outdated, so I have to show you. How it's done. Huh? Make a good memory, you know.
Ma'am, are you ready?
I'm with her. Yeah.
How are you?
You ever see we get up at trouble people? Huh? We not get up and trouble people. Yeah. You get up and start discriminate, body shame. Body shame, talk on my shape. Me ugly, me this, me that. If a girl have to get up every day and tell people say them pretty, then you talk to blind people. And you try to convince somebody. Yeah? Yeah? Me not have no plastic in my body. My body can shake, as flat as it is, it can shake on its own. Now if you use my hand and try shake it. Huh? Yeah? No. They must get up all the time and run out from people. And you have to lay down and take it. I want somebody to lay down for. And I might, you understand? I lay down for nobody else. Yeah? You want to go down? That's okay. Come and know what part that's okay. Yeah? I want somebody to lay down for, you know? Yeah. I have to earn if you lay down for me, you understand? Yeah. I understand. Not because we not get up and say nothing. Yeah. Lay down for that girl. I just not have the time, I mean, have the energy, and I think I'm a waste of time. But when time I get a little free time, you know, a pamper there. Yeah, I have to make sure know. Yeah. Liar. Compulsive liar. She's delusional.
Pathological liar.
Yeah. Delusional. Oh, you understand me? Nobody can pay we for come out here, so come defend. Nobody. Nobody can pay we. Nobody can call the phone and ask we for come out here and talk about anything. We're a grown, independent woman. We have a mind of our own. We get up and do what we want to do.
When we want to do it.
When we want to do it. You understand? When I come on social media for beg no friend about you, sir. You understand? We support people from where out we're looking for nothing in return. We are full of love, so we can dash it on people for free. Yeah? Yeah. So when you're cool with somebody, and because you see how somebody has been mistreated and you get up and you talk on it, first thing, them a look clout, them a get peer. Let me put it out there for you now. Nobody on social media cannot afford to pay me for me come out here. Come defend them. Yeah? Cannot. I mean, I put my mouth on ground and say that. Everything me do, I feel free, and that's how me genuinely feel. Yeah. Me no back and belly rat. You're not going to see me on one platform and talk good about somebody, and on one next platform and talk bad about that same person. Nobody can call my phone and chat to me and chat bad to me about anybody me care for. Whether me care for them or not care for them. Me no gossip on phone. Yeah? Gossiping don't pay my bills. Gossiping is a waste of time and waste of energy. Yeah? My friend them will tell you that. Then can't come to me and talk to me about nobody. Especially when me don't know somebody. Me shut it down right away. Nobody waste my time with people business. Ask them in front of me and behind me. Yeah. Enough time then say me not tell Chocolate that because she go about me. Why you tell me that for? The business with the people them and me that. Yeah. You're not gonna find me being a two-face. It's either me like you or me not like you. Point blank period. I don't care who you be. You cross me because I'm loyal to a T. You cross me, that's it for you. It's like you're dead to me. Yeah. You're dead to me. Yeah. You understand? So when they come with them foolishness about people pay and a clout, yeah, look. Clout for what? What clout I do for me? Them pennies there, you know how much work it takes on social media to make them pennies there. Huh? Huh? As soon as you like somebody and you genuinely like a person, them come with about peer. When they not come with peer, then try to make up story because they don't love when people live good. So then try to plot up story and come out with lie to broke up relationships. Because no good relationships not supposed to be on social media. You're not supposed to like nobody. For real. Yeah. There should always be an ulterior motive behind everything you do. Well, not this girl here. It take nothing for me to delete from my page. Me not ask her no. I tell her that. It take nothing. Me not miss a damn thing for delete my page. Yeah? Me not depend yourself for money. And all who watch me should have know that. From day one. Me give away more than me make on social media. It can't equate to what me give away. What me make. Yeah? And me give it right back in a social media. With my money on top of it. So I come with them bullshit money. Because them I make money then support this a person and that the person. Money me Ross. Money. Huh? You support that person and defend that person for clout. Clout for what? What clout I do for me? Huh? All the money me spending supporting people. I don't make not even a quarter of that back on social media. So when time me genuinely care about somebody and I cheer for somebody, me go hard. That's some me go. Me not listen to hearsay. Nobody can come with hearsay. Me have to hear it from somebody's mouth. Now come to me with no hearsay. Yeah. Straight to the point as some work in a real life. On social media and off of social media. Right to the point. Yeah. Me not give and tell. That's me. Because me not look for no praise to nobody from social media. Yeah. Me not give and tell. And me know no somebody I watch me when no say that is the gospel truth. Yeah. So if me did want this and that from social media, then there are things of me that come out, come do. Yeah. But like me said, this is a hobby for me to come on social media. It's a hobby. Yeah. So nobody now gonna make me not like somebody because them not like the person. That not gonna happen. Yeah. Yeah. We're just out here. It's so beautiful out here today. Yeah. Nobody now gonna make me not like somebody because of your opinion, because of where you how you feel about that person. Me make a promise. When I come on social media because of that person, me been watching, that's how me get the confidence to turn on my live and come do a live. Not when me that do the video them alive. You understand? That person motivate me to go live. And not pay attention to the camera. And for monetize, that way we can give back more to people. That's what that person does. I love what that person was doing and is still doing. I'm gonna make a promise, as long as I'm on social media, I will always cheer for that person. And nobody, and no matter wanna string me up, it not gonna change. Because that's just the kind of person that I am. I stick to my words. So no coulda crucify me a little more, hang me up, put me out for dry, it not gonna change. Because I know my parents, and even if I know my parents, I'm an adult. So I can make whatever decision I want to make. I can support who I want to support. I pay my own phone bills. I am so independent that my husband sometimes have to beg me to ask him for stuff. Because I'm so independent. So if him can't even tell me what to do, you think nobody on social media are going to tell me what to do? What me not know? Yeah. So because me liking somebody, supporting somebody, and you feel like, say, you're my mama, and you have control over me, and who me for support, then you come out and lie upon me, and me wait upon you for lie upon me the right way. You not do it. All me wait upon you. Because if your friend should be honest with you, when I used to talk to her, buy and support her, I said to her, I think it was like the second time I spoke to her on the phone, I said to her, I have a check with your name written on it that I am waiting to use to use you as an example. Go and ask her. That's what I said to her. I said, I have a check put on specially for you, but you not give me enough for me use a check on you. Because my promise as me turn up out here, so, and God a look down upon me. Me have that check put on in my book, in one book, in my bedroom. And you see one time I'm ready for use it, me Vanilla tell you now how me stay. No power upon earth can convince me.
Nobody can tell
figure otherwise.
No?
Yeah. Because it's like a dream for me fulfill it. Yes, it's a passion of mine. And you not give me all the recording me I provide, all me I send it for them analyze it. It's just not enough. It's just not enough. It's when are you gonna give me enough for me make you an example out here? Me tell your friend that. Me say me have a check with our name on it. When me refuse, me say even if me tomorrow me hungry, me not use it. Till the day there. Me could have got naked tomorrow, me not use it. Till the day there. It should be honest. And you're the only somebody on social media me mentioned to her. Only. Me say you're the only somebody me want to use the check upon. Because I hate when people lie on me. I me not use it. It in my bedroom. In one book. Me put it down. Yeah. Yeah, me tell your friend. No, me tell your friend about it. So me have a check for you.
Specific.
Specific for you. Me have it down to the cents. Yeah, me write in the amount, honey. Down to the cents. And you won't give me opportunity to show you better than me can tell you. Yeah. Coming not backing down. And the power upon earth can call for my phone and say chocolate don't do it. None. When me make up for my mind, and my mind is already made up, I'm just waiting, patiently waiting. Because me just believe you're going to give me opportunity one day. For write a check where you cannot cash. Yeah, we're out in at the mall. At them mall, them outside mall. Yeah. Yes. I said there's a check. Me tell our friend who seems to be our best friend now. If she honest, she would tell you. I said there's one person on social media that I have a check for. Yeah. And one day me must get for use it. Me must get for use it. Yes, people. Crowd a come. When crowd a come, a time for me go. Yes, man. Big up on yourself, yeah? Me go in a nail salon. I'll get my nails done. Yeah? We're going to do praise and worship tomorrow.
Yeah.
I just want to remind her to check that. Because certain games when me see you play with people out here, me not play them games there. Me not play them games there. Me not play them games there. Yeah. Yeah. Big up on yourself, kings and queens. Me gone. Me not spend too much time on loser, you understand? Go look one winner for call, you know. Yeah. Big up on yourself, you hear? Yeah. You want to turn around and say hello?
Hey, kings and queens, wagwan.
Big up
Happy
on
Saturday.
yourself.
Big up yourself.
Yes.
Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. Yes.
Big up on yourself.
Take care.
Yeah, we're going to do it.
Thank you for joining us.
We're going to do with nails. Maybe tomorrow at praise and worship. You
Yeah,
hear?
we'll see.
May I get ready because I have a trip I come up weekend for go
Yeah.
on. So may I try to get some stuff. Yeah? Big up on yourself. Yeah, so we're going to get with nails done. I'm going to enjoy the rest on a Saturday.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you so much, Andy. Big up here, enjoy the rest of the day. We're gonna get our nails done and go get some lunch and head on home. Alright, big up on yourself. Alright. Love and respect. Alright, big up on yourself. Love you guys. And there's nothing you can do about it. Big up. Big up, big up, big up.